Hello students, this video is about the minimization of logical expressions using Boolean algebra. We have already seen few of the theorems based on Boolean algebra like associative law, distributive law, commutative law, OR law, AND law, and so on. So using the Boolean theorems, using that logical theorems, we will be minimizing the logical expressions. Why do we need to minimize the logical expressions? That the lower the size of the expression, lesser will be the hardware required to implement that expression. ठीक है. So as we can see in question number, for your convenience, I have already noted down few of the axioms or the relation of distribution theorems, De Morgan's law, that we will be using in solving these expressions, right? X plus x bar equals to 1, this is OR law. X dot x bar equals to 0, this is AND law. A plus BC is equal to A plus B into A plus C, this is distribution theorem. 1 plus x is equal to 1, this is OR law. This is De Morgan's law, which we are very familiar with, and this is extension of this distribution law, which we will be using directly, that this relation will be used directly. Okay, so let us start with the first question, which is y is equal to x y z plus x bar y plus x y z bar. If we roughly see this expression and calculate the number of gates, so roughly we need one AND gate for this, one AND gate for this, and one AND gate for this. So 3 AND gates plus 2 OR gates and plus 2 inverters. So in that way we will need 3 plus 2 plus 2, like we will need 7 gates to implement this logical expression. Now let us minimize this using various Boolean theorems and laws, and we will calculate the number of gates, that to which extent we can minimize this, right? We can start with any of the two terms, it is up to you. And now I'm starting with these two terms, right? From these two terms I am taking x y common, this is x y. So what I am left with, this is z and this is z bar, let's keep as it is, plus x bar y. How I have done this? I have just used commutative law, that is swapped the terms, and I have used distributive law, like I have taken x and y common from these two terms and z plus z bar is there. Now what is z plus z bar? We have already noted down one axiom here. This x plus x bar is 1 according to OR law. So this will be 1 plus x bar y. Next, this x y dot 1 will be what? xy. Okay, we have one more law, that is a dot 1 is equal to a. This is AND law. So xy dot 1 is xy plus x bar y. Now let us take y common from this. When we take y common, it is x plus x bar. Again x plus x bar is what? 1. So we got y. And this is y dot 1 is what? Y. Right. So this is what the minimized form is. So if we see the total number of gates is what now? Now there is no additional gate. We can use just a buffer gate to implement this function. And what we need to give as input? Y is the input to that buffer gate, and we will get y as output. So 7 number of gates is minimized to 1 gate. Right, this is the importance of logic minimization. Okay, just to take this, do not take this y, take it as y1. So to avoid the confusion, this is also y1. Okay, so this is how we have minimized this expression from 7 number of gates to 1 number of gate. Okay, now let us look at the second question. What is our question number 2? It is y is equals to a bar b c bar plus a bar b bar c bar plus a b bar c bar plus a b c bar. This is simple. What we have to do is we just have to arrange various terms in such a way that we can take some variables common, right? So it is just by observation we can say हर किसी का अलग अलग तरीका हो सकता है, अप्रोच सबका अलग अलग हो सकता है, राइट? इट इज़ नॉट हार्ड एंड फास्ट किया जो तरीका हम फॉलो कर रहे हैं दैट इज़ द लाइक थंब रूल, right? So now let us we are starting from these two terms, this and this. So what is common in these two terms? BC bar is common. So what I have taken, BC bar is common. What we are left with? We are left with A bar from this and A from this plus, and here we can see B bar C bar is common. This is B bar, C bar is common, and what we are left with, A bar plus A, right? As per the OR law, this A plus A bar is 1, this A plus A bar is also 1. So this is 1 dot BC bar plus B bar C bar dot 1. We also know that according to AND law, since x dot 1 is equal to what? X. This is AND law. So BC bar dot 1 is BC bar plus B bar C bar. Now what we can do? We can again take this C bar common. This is C bar. This is B plus B bar, which is again according to OR law. What is OR law? OR law say that the x plus x bar equals to 1. We have also seen in the last question. Then this is equal to 1. So then this is C bar dot 1. As per AND law, this is C bar. Okay. Now here also we can conclude to implement this expression we need 1, 2, 3, 4. We need 4 AND gate plus 1, 2, 3. We need 3 OR gate, and क्योंकि हमारे पास 3 वेरिएबल्स हैं and we need to invert all the 3 variables, तो 3 inverter, तो we need total 10 number of gates. Whereas if I want to implement this C bar, मुझे क्या चाहिए? I just need one inverter, one NOT gate I just want. तो यहाँ से हम C देंगे through an inverter and we will get C bar. See how simple is this? From 10 gates we have came to 1 gate. This is how it works. Now let us come to our third question, which is AB plus A dot C ka bar AB bar C into AB plus C. Okay, if I calculate or count the number of gates required to implement this logical expression, that will be 1, 2, 3, 4, See, let's look at the third question, which is AB plus A dot C the whole bar plus AB bar C into AB plus C. If I count the total number of gates for this, I will need 1 for this, 1 for this, 1, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, and one inverter also. So roughly there will be 8 two input number of gates will be required. Now let us simplify this and see the what are the number of gates required to implement the minimized form of this expression. So let us start. Let us take it as y is equal to, I'm not noting it again, I'm just starting solving it. तो रूल जो हमने देखा था लॉजिकल एक्सप्रेशंस का, जो रूल रहता है जैसे हमारे नॉर्मल जो अरिथमेटिक है उसका एक रूल होता है बॉड मास, राइट? ब्रैकेट्स देन ऑफ देन डिवीजन देन मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड सो ऑन. तो सेम रूल इज एप्लीकेबल हियर ऑल्सो. सबसे पहले वी विल सॉल्व दिस ब्रैकेट यूजिंग distribution property. Using distribution property, when I'll solve this, I will get AB bar C dot AB plus AB bar C dot C. Correct. Now, I will be doing two things together here. First, I will be applying De Morgan's at this term, A dot C the whole bar, which is A bar plus C bar, as well as I will be applying the AND law to these two terms. ठीक है, तो here I will get AB plus applying De Morgan's to this term. What I will get? A bar plus C bar plus, if I rearrange these terms using the commutative property, what I will get? B dot B bar, and here we can say B dot B bar is 0, X dot X bar is 0 according to AND law. So this terms comes out to be 0 plus this. If I again rearrange these terms, so sorry, I need not to rearrange this, it is already arranged. So C dot C is what? C again as per the AND law. So this will be A B bar C. Correct. Now I will apply the commutative property here. I will just rearrange these again. So AB plus this C bar I will keep here, and this is A bar plus A B bar C. This is now according to distributive property. This term is what? A plus this is B, and this is our, this we can consider as a common term. So as per distributive property, what will be the outcome? यहाँ पे हम distributive property लगाएंगे. तो this is A plus B. तो this will be A bar plus A, and this will be this plus this. So A bar plus B bar C. Now what I will be getting? I'll be getting AB plus C bar plus A bar is 1, and 1 dot this is A bar plus B bar C. Right. Now I will just rearranging these terms. So this is A bar plus AB plus C bar plus CB bar. I have just rearranged this term using commutative and associative property. यहाँ पे we can write also using commutative and associative property. So what this will comes out to be, this a distributive, दोनों जगह हम क्या लगाएंगे? डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव. तो A प्लस ए बी, यहाँ पे मैंने लिखा है A प्लस ए बार बी, इट इज A प्लस बी, इट इज सेम एज दिस. तो दिस विल बी A प्लस ए बी प्लस, सिमिलरली जब यहाँ पे लगाएंगे तो क्या होगा? C प्लस C बार विल बी 1, एंड दिस विल बी C बार प्लस B bar. This is C bar plus B bar. Now again rearranging, I will write this B plus B bar at one place plus A plus C bar. यहाँ पे I have done it using distributive property. It is distributive property. Okay, now this B plus B bar is 1 plus A plus C bar. Now this comes out to be 1 plus anything is what? 1, which implies no number of gate, like theoretically no number of gate need to be connected. It is theoretically. राइट, क्योंकि हमें ये क्या मिल रहा है 1, मतलब वी आर गेटिंग जस्ट VDD जो हमारा सोर्स लाइक जो पावर सप्लाई रहता है, जहाँ भी जिस भी इनपुट पे हमें ये लॉजिकल एक्सप्रेशंस का आउटपुट अप्लाई करना था, वहाँ पे वी कैन डायरेक्टली कनेक्ट VCC या VDD. Right. So these were few examples on logic minimization using Boolean algebra. If you have any doubt regarding these questions, you can comment on the comment section. That we will be discussing in our next class. Thank you.